Microsoft is making a visual change to Teams that sparked some debate. App names in the sidebar are now hidden by default. If you're new here, subscribe to the Modern Workspace Pro YouTube channel and head to mwpro.co.uk for daily Microsoft 365 and Copilot updates. Microsoft says this trims visual noise and makes the app bar feel more focused. If you hover or focus an icon, you'll still get a tooltip with the app name. That behavior isn't going away. So, when is this actually happening? Microsoft recently updated the schedule for everyone. Rollout starts mid-March 2026 and should complete by early April. Note that EDU tenants are currently excluded. Now the big question, can you bring the labels back? The answer is a definite yes. It's a per-user option. Head to Settings, Appearance, and toggle on Show App Names in the app bar. Once you flip that switch, your text labels return immediately. It's that simple. For the admins out there, no new admin controls ship with this. It's entirely user-controlled. If you want labels on for everyone, you'll need to guide your users through the Settings toggle. Power users often love this change, as it reclaims horizontal space and matches a modern, icon-forward look. However, not everyone is thrilled. Some argue that new users might just see a row of confusing symbols. For those moving from other platforms, it's a fair point for onboarding and change management. What about accessibility? Microsoft says they've conducted thorough reviews on this. Screen readers will still announce app names as you focus an icon, ensuring support for JAWS and narrator. If you're low vision, flipping the labels back on is the recommended practical tip for better clarity. Microsoft says no action is required, but here's a lightweight plan to smooth the rollout. First, notify your users. Second, update your internal screenshots and documentation once the change hits your tenant. Finally, brief your help desk to expect some "where did the labels go" tickets for a few weeks. My take? This is a small visual tweak that reflects a larger shift toward minimalist design. If you love the clean look, you're all set. If you value clarity, just flip the setting and carry on. What do you think? Are you team clean and simple or team give me my labels back? Let me know. Subscribe to Modern Workspace Pro and visit nwpro.co.uk for the latest Microsoft 365 updates. I'll see you in the next one.